Hi everyone, welcome back with a new video. Today we are talking about one of the most incredible scientific instruments ever created, the Hubble Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, the Hubble has been providing us with stunning images and groundbreaking data for over 30 years. Its position above the Earth's atmosphere allows for crystal clear observation of distant galaxies, star formations, and celestial phenomena. The Hubble has been revolutionized our understanding of the universe and helped us answer some of the most fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. From observing the birth of stars to tracking the evolution of galaxies, the Hubble has played a critical role in advancing our knowledge of the universe. Not only has the Hubble providing us with breathtaking images, but it has also allowed us to study distant planets and helped us better understand the nature of dark matter and dark energy. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science and technology that the Hubble Space Telescope represents, and be sure to check out some of the amazing images and videos available online to see the universe in a whole new light. Thanks for watching and see you next time.